everybody. I just wanted to talk to you about my experience with Ray. So basically, I'm a competitive Latin dancer, and so I train almost every day. And I have two young girls that are also dancers, and I run my own business, and life, it gets pretty busy. So Ray and I train about 3 times a week, only for half an hour, but he put me on this cleanse that he swore would be incredible for me. Given that I wasn't so disciplined, I did my best. It was a 3-day fruit cleanse, and then we went into kind of introducing greens towards the end of the week. It was very difficult for me to give up coffee and all that good stuff, and he can attest to the fact that I am not so disciplined, but I did my best, and I saw some results in the sense that I don't crave sugar as much. I really loved at night to eat my sweets and my cakes. I just replaced that with some melon, like he said, and as well, I used to have 2 to 3 coffees a day. Now I'm down to half a cup in the morning. I feel like a little bit more cleaner. I can't describe the feeling so much, but I really feel like I don't need the things I used to need to get through my day. So I used to have coffees in the afternoon, and I used to need chocolate or piece of cake in the middle of the day to keep me going, but otherwise, that now I don't feel like I need that, and I just feel like I feel cleaner, if that makes sense. Anyway, I just wanted to come on here and let you all know that cleansing and training really helped me in my journey.